Hey guys, Channing here with My Tennessee Home Solution. DIY home improvement can be appealing due to cost savings, control over the project, and personal satisfaction. However, it's often more complex than anticipated. Here are some key tips to navigate DIY tasks and recognize when to seek professional help. Most importantly, you want to verify credibility. Ensure your materials and advice and resources are reliable. Research suppliers, read reviews, and visit facilities if possible. Use reputable home improvement websites and expert guides for information. Assessing the scope of work. Don't underestimate the project's complexity. Break down tasks, identify necessary skills, and be honest about your abilities. Hire professionals for complex plumbing, electrical, or structural work. Managing time and budget. Create a realistic timeline with allowances for delays, including a buffer in your budget for unexpected costs. Track spending diligently to avoid going over budget. DIY projects aren't always the best option. If the work is overwhelming or you prefer to avoid major renovations, consider selling your home to a reputable company like My Tennessee Home Solution. We buy homes in any condition, offering a transparent and hassle-free process which will allow you to move forward without the burden of extensive DIY projects. Choosing My Tennessee Home Solution ensures a seamless selling experience, treating every homeowner with respect and empathy. Our goal is to make your transition smooth and stress-free. Contact us to learn more about how we can help you sell your home quickly and efficiently.